So it's a play to earn NFT game. And I just want to emphasize that this is not necessarily an investment per se. It is more of a game. Okay. It's a game where you have the opportunity to make a lot of money. You also have the opportunity to lose what you put in there. Okay, so don't treat this, don't take your social security money, put it in here, don't sell your house, put it in here. But it is fun. I enjoy these types of things personally. I'm a little bit Degen myself. But WHEAT is a token. That's the main thing going on in this ecosystem. But if you go and enter the app, if you're doing this not on mobile, there's actually a really cool map that shows you everything you can do. But the barn will just show you what you have already. But you can mint a farmer. That's for 83 Matic right now. There's some randomization there, which is again part of every good game, some randomization, but you get some farmers. And then after you have some wheat, you can get some land, you can get some tools. So there's NFTs that you can get. There's also a wheat auction every day that goes on where you can bid on a certain amount of wheat and get that added to your wallet. So there's farmers, and farmers can work the land, and then you can get tools that upgrade your land. And I've been in so many of these games, and the way that these games usually work is the people who get in very early tend to get really good returns, and then it starts to go down as time goes on. Again, I can't tell you, no financial advice. I don't know when the tipping point's going to be for this game, but go check it out. Check out the AMA. I'll leave a link for that right above.